Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, the 8th of September, 2025. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope it's been a great trading day for you. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile, risk tolerance. Right, here are our follow us page. Make sure you follow along and keep up with all the latest and greatest. And if you're watching this here on whatever your platform is, make sure you subscribe, click the link, like, add a comment. We greatly appreciate it. It certainly helps us in the algorithms. All right, so let's start off with the upcoming events on Forex Factory. So we've got nothing on Monday, nothing on Tuesday, at least not orange and red. There are going to be maybe some yellow. When we look at what's coming up on Wednesday, these are both 8:30. If you're trading futures or holding positions overnight, they are important. If you're not, they're important, but they're not going to affect your trade today, right? When the market opens at 9:30 Eastern, it's going to affect the trade. The market will get shifted around because of it. All of the reports on Thursday are also at 8:30. They are all important reports, but again, none of them will affect because the market is not open. You're not in a trade. But when you're looking at a trade at 10 o'clock in the morning or a report at 10 o'clock in the morning, and this is consumer sentiment and inflation expectations, right ahead of the Fed, no less. All of these are Fed reports. When you're looking at these numbers right before or right after the market opens, if you got in a trade at 9:35 in the morning, 10 o'clock, these come out, it could drastically alter the direction of that stock and how it moves. So I'm not saying don't trade. I'm not saying to trade. I'm saying you need to be aware of this. If nothing else, make sure you know what reports are coming out and when. If you're trading pre-market, you damn well better know when those reports are coming out. That would be more of the futures, E-minis, Forex, and the likes, okay? So let's go and shift over to the S&P 500. And today was another all-time high. Yes, we did it. We broke through. Now, I am very happy to see, though, that we did not sustain up there. I don't want us to. I want us back, and we're still open. We've got about a half an hour left till the market closes. I want us back in the area of this blue zone, right, where we've got the fib line and this 618 from a previous Fibonacci. I want us in that area. Why? Because I want the 8 moving average to give it a couple of days to catch up. I really would love to see, if it was up to me, and it could be, I would love to see we just hang around here a little bit. The 8 moving average kind of catches up. We make a move up, we retest and we bounce, and now we're off to the races to our very next level. That's what I want to see happen, right? Because we've got some way to go, baby. It's 66.34 to our next resistance, and then 66.70 above that, and then 67.65. That is a major Fibonacci level, definitely a resistance. But this one level right here, this one that's 66.34. Huge level for us to get to. That is a doubling of what our move was. So whatever the move was from A to B back here, and then the pullback from C, from the letter C up to that number 1, it's the same dollar amount as A to B. So A to B equals C to D. D is the 1. That's what D represents, okay? So overall, S&P 500 looking great. We pulled back a little bit today. If you watched anything I did the last couple of days, I said, and I quote, especially yesterday when I did pop, I talked about when we ran up and got not to the high, but in that area, I would not be surprised after Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday's move. I would not be surprised to see us back off from there. We opened up a little bit down. We ran up, failed, right? Overall, life is looking good, okay? For this. We did get to the all-time high today. I love seeing that. But where are we? If we close right where we are now, we're in a bullish bias with a rank of 2, right? Nothing crazy, nothing bad. We're still staying in bullish. If we break the 8 on the close, again, we do have 25 minutes left till we close. If we break the 8 on the close, I'm not worried about it. If we break the 21 on the close, I'm not worried about it. We've closed below before. We closed below before. We closed below before. Actually, this one might have been up by like 10 cents. I'm not worried about it. Right? We've got our swing low in there. Actually, we would want to put in another swing low now, so let's do that. A higher swing low. We had a higher high and now a higher low, right? We're not marking this yet because it isn't a high yet. We don't know if we're done. We're going to wait for that continuation to go and a pullback, and then we could go ahead and mark a new all-time high or a new swing high even. in there. If we go and look over at a little bit longer term chart, if we look at a weekly chart, we've been waiting patiently to redraw the fibs here. We got nothing. I mean, I could draw off of this, but not really what I want to do. Whoops, let's take that down. It's really not a good pullback for us yet. It's just not. We moved down that week, but then we bounced. We don't have a pullback. We need down to near that 236 level. So it's really, again, it's really not what I want to see. We can get rid of this box though at this point. We don't need that any longer. That dreaded box of neutrality in there. We had broken out of that. But now, interestingly enough, 4 weeks in a row, weekly chart, you see weekly up here, right? Where my mouse is, top left-ish on the screen. We've been playing for 4 weeks in a row between the 63.71 and 64.81. So about a 100-point move up and down, up and down. We're sitting at the top of it right now, which is where we closed each week. So overall, again, very happy about the picture there. To the upside, we're looking at the 618, negative 618, is 67.17. All right, so really nice potential there on that breakout on the S&P. If we look at the monthly we've got a really good fib drawn in there. Nice move up, good pullback, strong stretch down. Here we've got the 56.41, 54.73. What is it? 54.73. 56 is the other line. 54.73 is our brown line. That is our midpoint of our fib of our 41.81 and our 67.65. That brown line is the midpoint. So we've had a nice move, good strong pullback right to the 50. Wham! Big move up. And now we're hitting ABC lines again and again and again. We're stopping right now at that 67.46. If you're a longer term trader, we're looking at the 68.69 as our next target to the upside for the monthly trader. Right? We go back to a daily chart. Let's go check out the VIX. And we're down 5 cents right now on VIX. Nothing. It's nothing, right? We're flat. There's nothing happening. Let's go back one more time. Look at the S&P. All right, so we're bouncing a little bit in there on the S&P. We could get back up closer to the highs again, right near the high. Not the high of the day. I don't think we'll reach that, although we could. I think we'll get potentially closer to the 6,500 level, but I don't think we're going to get too much higher than that. There's still a lot of strength up in here. Between that 618 level, the 6511, and the 6504, there's a tremendous amount of strength right now in there. All right? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, this upcoming week is Mastermind Week. If you haven't already done so, go over to the members area of wealthbuildershq.com. Register. It's free. You don't need a credit card. You need nothing. Guys, you're going to be in 3 full days of live, 3 days, I shouldn't say full days, 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, of live trading room, which is our Inner Circle group. On Monday night, you're going to be in the Inner Circle check-in, which is an hour long. On Tuesday night, you're going to be in our Mastermind group, which is an hour long. On Thursday night, you're going to be in our Trading You, which is an hour long. Right? These are all free. These are our 3 different masterminds that we have. And you're going to learn some of the ways and the techniques that we use to beat the daylights out of the market week after week, month after month. So with that, have a great rest of your day. Make it a profitable one. And I will see you all at Mastermind Week. Bye for now.